Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Zoho Project for competitive analysis in this complete 2025 guide. First up, you'll need to log into your Zoho Project account. If you don't have one, it's easy to create. Just follow their on-screen instructions. This is essential because Zoho Project is the platform where all the magic happens. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Projects tab. Here, you'll create a new project named Competitive Analysis. This helps us because it serves as a central hub for all your analysis data. Next, let's add some tasks. These tasks will represent your competitors, so name each task after a competing company. The reason we do this is to have a clear visual representation of each competitor as we start our analysis. Once you've created tasks for your competitors, it's time to add subtasks. Subtasks will represent different aspects of your competitor's business that you want to analyze, like their marketing strategies, pricing, and product features. This helps us because it breaks down the analysis process into manageable chunks. Now that we've done that, let's attach files to each subtask. These files can be anything from screenshots of their websites, social media posts, or articles about them. This is important because it gives a clear, visual reference to back up your analysis. Next, you can use the comments section under each subtask to make notes about your findings. Don't be afraid to be detailed here. The more information you have, the better. The reason we do this is to keep all our findings neatly organized under each competitor and aspect. Moving on to the task dependency feature, use this to establish correlations between different competitors and aspects. This could be similar marketing strategies, for example. This step matters because it helps you identify patterns and draw conclusions from your analysis. Lastly, once you've done all that, use the Reports feature to generate a comprehensive report of your analysis. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project is compiling all your data into a neat, easy-to-read report. And that's it. You've just conducted a competitive analysis using Zoho Project. Remember, the goal here is to gain deep insights into your competition, and Zoho Project is an excellent tool to organize and streamline this process. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for more practical guides. Until next time.